hanging out in school. No one ever called me clever, I just played the fool. But when you smiled, I paid attention. I remember from the start, didn't know what I was doing, but I was learning you by heart. Learning you by heart. Couldn't wait for graduating, get gone, have myself a ball. But my voice inside kept whispering, I want you most of all. I could hear that train at midnight calling me away. But you kissed me in the moonlight, and I knew that I would stay. Live my life beside you, never want to be apart. And I'm growing in understanding, learning you by heart. Learning you by heart. To realize I've been learning love forever, looking in your loving eyes. We will sing together, we're gonna live our melody. Never singing solo, the closest harmony. Our song was always in us, we felt it from the start, and my life has been a love song, learning you by heart. Learning you by heart. Learning you by heart. Learning you by heart. Oh, mahalo. Yeah. Patty Maxine.